What is up, everybody? Average Model Guy, bringing you our next build. We're going to be working on the Revell Level 5 Top Gun Maverick F-18E Super Hornet 1/48 scale. I'm not going to be doing this up as the Top Gun decals. I got this set from Fightertown USA, and I think I'm going to go with either going to go with this scheme or this scheme. I really like it. Or there's a ghost one that looks pretty good too. This one back here. I might end up doing it up like this. I really like this paint scheme a lot. I think it's just really going to make the F-18 look really cool. Just do something different. Everybody's doing Top Gun Maverick, so I want to change it up a little bit. Do a little bit different design on mine. Make the model my own. That's what we're here for. I mean, we're supposed to be enjoying this, not making them what we think they should be, but how we want them to be. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get this unboxed, see what we got in here, and we'll go from there. All right, first tree, looks like we got drop tanks, hard points. Yep, I'm not gonna bother opening them. Like we can see pretty good through the bag. This one looks like it's got wheel bay doors, wheels, ejection seats. Yep, ejection sheet's got our landing gears in there. It's pretty good. Next one, cockpit. Various cockpit pieces. Maybe part of the nose, fuselage maybe. Not quite sure. I guess when we get there we'll find out. Next tree up. Our tail fins, rear stabilizers, intakes, nose, wingtips, not the shoes. Here's our clear tree. Got our cockpit, front part of the cockpit, a couple clear parts, not quite sure what those are going to be for. Lights, I'm assuming. Next up, got our main body. More parts to the intakes. Got our engine nozzles back here. More pieces for the engine. Undercarriage. It's got good detail on the inside there. Hopefully you guys can try to clear it away so you guys can see it. Very good detail inside the wheelbase. Yeah, it's gonna be really good. Got our Revell instructions. They've really come a long way with their instructions. I really am pretty impressed with it. Pretty detailed on what goes where. Got several steps, so this one's gonna definitely be a multi part series. And then we've got our decal sheet. Got our ones, just our decals for our Maverick type, but again, I ordered this from Fightertown, so I've used it on my Top Gun model. I got the video. I'll leave a little button up at the top if you guys want to check that out. You know what? I don't think I did a build series on that one. Maybe I'll post some pictures in here someplace of it. But anyways, yeah, I did a Top Gun model one of that. So so I'm missing just a few decals off here. Shouldn't be a problem. So we're going to use that decal sheet instead. So yeah, this is going to be a fun build. I've been looking forward to doing an F-18. Haven't done one yet. Done F-14. I did the F-4 Skyray. Done an A-10, F-16. So yeah, about time to change it up. Do a little bit of an F-18. So I'll be back in a couple days or a day or so with the first part of the build. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you want to stick around for this build series, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, don't forget to slap that like button, and I'll see you guys in part 1 of our F-18. Thanks.